Hey guys, this is Jeremy Thrillkill with Dumpster Rental Systems. First, I want to give you guys a quick high-level overview of exactly what our product entails. This is your one hat, everything under the sun, under one roof solution. So with that being said, I'll go ahead and get started. First, we're going to touch on online booking. And this is true online booking with true e-commerce, meaning your customer makes a transaction, it talks to your inventory, it takes it out of your inventory, and it even imports it in your routing. Then we'll talk about inventory management, routing, reporting, invoicing, as well as a free website builder that's part of our system. And first, to touch on the online booking free website builder, right now you're looking at one of our websites. So this is a dummy site, not a real company. We do have some current customers that we've been beta test for a year now, and they're doing great. I will share those on any other demonstrations that you may want to see if you reach out to us. But to go ahead and get started, imagine someone Google the word dumpster rental, they land on your site, and now they're here looking for a specific size dumpster that they may want. So you're going to see that we really make this all about online conversions. You're going to see a mega menu with the different sizes. This individual only rents out 3. Again, this is a dummy company. You're going to see their service area, about us, contact us, a blog, again, call to action. This is a fake phone number. It constantly says book online, more info, sizing chart. They can book here. We're going to have multiple different templates that we can work with. We can change out multiple variations. We can even integrate this with your WordPress site if you already have one. Okay. So now when we go here, let's say I'm looking for a 11-yard dumpster. I read about the information, 1 to 4 day rental, 1 tons of material, $5 per additional day, $95 per additional ton. We've set up the software on the back end to have all these rules implemented. If someone goes over 1 ton, you're at the the dump site, you simply just put in what the material is, the math will break down, and you would charge whatever fees you do for over 1 ton. So if they book it 1 to 4 days, the system will give them a flat fee, also add on the tax. You can also add on a delivery fee if they're really far outside your area. $5 per additional day, you can change it to 10, you can change it to 12, you can do whatever you like. $95 per additional ton would be the rule here. So if they go over 1 ton, you can charge, you can break down the math, or you can charge them a $95 fee on top of it if you want, however you decide to do it. Again, this is just dimensions about it, whatever you might want to tell. It talks about the other size dumpsters here. They can click there. Now let's go ahead and add this to our cart. So remember, 4 days of flat fee. It says it again here, 11-yard dumpster. Now choose the date. I'm gonna choose it for the 21st, and I'm gonna pick it up on Thursday. We can change out these rules. You don't have to have the same ones. Urgent if your dumpster is real-time sensitive, so please select of time. I want it regular delivery time, anytime between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. Time sensitive, we charge $30 fee in 2-hour increments. This one is, let's go ahead and just say it's time sensitive so you can see how the fee is added on. So now that we're here, if I need more than one, I could have done it on the first screen. I could add additional here. You just put in whatever inventory amount is. I'm gonna go ahead and order 2. Let's say it's at a construction site. I now put in the city Dallas, zip code. I'm just gonna put in random one, and email, I'll put, let's see here, Joe at Loss Google. Continue. Now that just went into my CRM. I now have their name, email. If Joe decides he's not going to book from us, I can run a report saying opt out, meaning they didn't go through the checkout process, and I can email them special things or promotions at any given time. I can run that report every afternoon. So now we go to the checkout, or we can continue shopping. I'm going to go ahead and check out. I'm going to then fulfill this information here. Sam Hoy, bunch of fake info. City, Dallas, Maine. Same as billing. How'd you hear about us? Found you on Google. You can run reports, see how people are finding you, so you know where you're spending your money and where to invest more money into those marketing assets. Please give us a brief description of what you're dumping. We can have any question you want. We can put, let's say, garage clean out, random items. Where would you like the dumpster set? I would like it behind the building. Please note that there would be additional $10 fee for any tires. You can add the word mattresses. You can change out the amount. Again, if we can even make it where if they check that they did want a mattress, it'll automatically charge $10 on top of this if we decide to do that. Customers' comments, they can put any special notes. Let's say it's a contractor or commercial job. They can put JC Construction 10 off. That will give them 10% off because maybe they rent a bunch with you, however you want to go about doing it. So now we hit continue. I forgot to put it in the mobile phone. Let's say here, hit continue. And even on the back end, let's say you guys decide you don't want to do online booking, you can send out quotes this way. The customers can make their own quote. You can also follow up with the quotes later in the CRM. So we can put credit card. We don't have to put a deposit. We can take that off. Actually suggest you do take it off. They can pay the amount in full. Put the credit card information, they hit submit, it then goes and reserves that item, takes it out of your inventory. No one can book it until the initial pickup date, or if you decide that they wanted to pick it up early, you would then just change the date. Therefore, it checks it right back into your inventory automatically. So now let's say that they are a commercial account. They rent a lot from you. You put here, please choose the option if you have a commercial account with us on file. They hit submit, it'll still check it out of your system, and it's going to notify you that one of your commercial contacts placed the order, and you then hit submit right here. Now the order's in. Again, took it out of the inventory, says amount due. You handle that any way you normally do with any of your commercial accounts. And commercial accounts can also, you can take it out of that option as well, where they also have to pay full and credit card, or they have to pay a deposit, or however you normally handle it. That being said, now let's go to the back end of the system. So we just placed our order. All your orders will pop up here. These are all fake orders. Today's the 16th. Let's see what we got for the 21st. Got an 11-yard dumpster here. I got another 11-yard dumpster here. Here are the cities. And you can clearly see how that worked. So this one's a time sensitive. It charged a $30 fee. I can then click on here. Oh, sorry. And I can add notes, time sensitive, this, that, the other. Sorry, we just changed that field. And blase, blase. I can then go here, I can print my invoice. Really easy. We can really customize these. Another thing is when they pay, the customer actually gets emailed an invoice asking them to digitally sign your terms of service. We also provide a mobile app where if you want to just have them sign it digitally on the phone, they can do it that way as well. So just about anything and everything has been thought about when having this. Now let's go to check out your reporting. Again, this integrates to QuickBooks. If you want, this will do your accounting for you. It'll tell you your sales by month, what your top ticket items are. This month in the last 60 days was 25-yard dumpster. I can run a report for 30 days if I decide to. Really doesn't matter. I can look at your tax report. You can look at your sales overview. sales overview by date range, sales created overview, daily sales, month to date, sales by city, sales by delivery versus pickup. If you do have any equipment where you allow people to rent out, let's say like heavy machine equipment or a dump trailer, your annual growth, your order options. We even have reports where automatically when someone books, it sends them a survey. So here's your survey questions. This would be your survey answers. We can automate your messages, saying someone booked one, and 2 days later and put, hey, if you decide you want us to pick it up early, please text the following number with your order number, this, that, the other, and just really automate every process you can possibly think of. And here's all your template messages. You can even send a mass text message, a mass email list to all your customers, however you want to go about it. Here's your customer list report. And let's go ahead and check out your payment report for your merchant services. It can integrate to anyone that you want. And with that being said, let's go ahead and look at one of these sales overview, which, this is a fake account. They can go break it down here by year. They can break it down by year here, by month, even by the day. Okay. So anyway, pretty cool. And today's day was this. So now let's go to routing. So here's your delivery. Let's say that we got 2 deliveries or 2 pickups, it looks like, on the 22nd. We can mix them both. It really doesn't matter. We would then go to this. We would see exactly where our deliveries are, and I believe I set one up already for, what was it, this date, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, it was this one. So anywho, right here is a delivery. It says 11-yard dumpster. It was a time sensitive. This one's a regular delivery anytime. Let's go ahead and plan our route for, you decide you want to sleep in. So we'll start it at 7 a.m. Give you extra hours sleep. Go ahead and click view route. And this is your warehouse. But we also got to put that you deliver and now you go back. So now we're going to have to go back here. And we're going to have to add this. I'm sorry. We'll add it right here. We have to put the warehouse here. So now you automatically already start the warehouse. But now you go there, you drop off the dump trailer, you go back to warehouse, you pick up another one. Now you go here. And now you got to go back to the warehouse after your day's over. You only had 2 deliveries. Okay. And with that being said, you can click in here. You can put how much estimated time you think it'll be to drop off 11-yard dumpster. Make sure so you know exactly how much time your guys are spending. It automatically estimates what the drive would be. And anyhow, it just goes back and forth. It's all really common sense. So this is basing off the zip code I put. I didn't put an actual address for the warehouse. So now that we got all this squared away, we'll then go right here and we'll view our route. And you can print this out. You can send it right here to your drivers. So now I just sent it to driver 22. But let's go ahead and view the route again. It says Monday, you start here. This was a pickup. And you put the warehouse. You would actually want to go ahead and put dump right here. So you put the dump's address. Then you go do another pickup. Then you'll take it to the dump. Then you'll take it to the warehouse. So with that being said, it'll tell you exactly how many miles that they driven that day. This is awesome for you people who have 1099 employees. It'll also be great for knowing how many miles that you put in right here. So here's your mileage reimbursement. Not only that, with the app, if you have your drivers download the app, which we suggest, you can also track them where they're at any given time all through the app. So this is going to save you a lot of money. This is your website. This is your invoicing, your reporting, your taxes, and this is also going to be your routing software. Not only that, you can write your schedule through here. You can give certain permission levels and logins for your actual employees, and it's everything under one roof. So go ahead and open the scheduler. And you just start basically building someone's schedule. John Doe is going to work from 12:30 to 6:30 that day. Maybe there's a overnight construction crew. I guess that wouldn't make sense in this case. But 7 a.m. to, let's do a normal day, 4 p.m., hour lunch. And so you have an assistant that day. Nope. Okay. We hit save. Here's John Doe for Monday. Then we can go here and add another. You can put another person's name. It doesn't matter, as many names as you have. And you start going through the week. They can log in, check their schedule. And again, just another way to get through the day. With the mobile app, when they go to the yard, it'll literally tell you when they enter the yard and when the last time they exited the yard. So again, it basically helps you streamline your business, and you know what's going on at any given minute. And that's in regards to your driver, where your stuff is, this, that, the other. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys reach out to us. I'd love to give you some real live demos, maybe even give you some 30-day trials and go from there.